This is a quick demo of putting down a trace with vias involved. This is a board I'm currently working on. I use hotkeys for almost everything. My keyboard does not have a mouse with a scroll wheel, so I use F1 to zoom in. So here we are zooming in. F2 zooms out. Home gives me my full screen again. And F4 will reposition the display wherever my cursor is. So I use those really often. So Control B to get rid of the copper fill that we have there. I'm going to take out this trace for T8. So I'm going to click and select. If I hit U, it'll select the whole thing from end to end, and we'll just delete that. Now let's assume I'm going to put this trace back in, but for some reason I can't do it where it was, and I need to go over or under these two traces right here. So I put my mouse where I'm going to start. I hit X to start my trace. I come up here. I can come across. I can start to push up. And if I hit V, it creates a little via. I click. And I'm now actually putting my trace on the back side. I can hit V again, click. I can come back up, go over, come in, and I'm down. There we are. So now what I've done is I've created a trace from this pad on my microcontroller up to T8, and I've gone underneath these other two. So it's that simple. And if I hit B, it'll reflow, and there we go. I've got my fill back in, and I have my new trace going underneath the trace of the other two pins.